Hello students, today we will start with haloarenes. Okay, like haloalkenes we have studied. In haloalkenes what we have studied is that one hydrogen of an alkane, it is replaced by a halogen, and the product which is formed is haloalkane. Now here it's haloarenes. Arene means where benzene rings are used. Aryl groups are these groups are called aryl groups. Okay, this one is phenyl. So the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon, when the hydrocarbon is aromatic means closed ring structure is there, having the halogen atom attached to a carbon atom of the aromatic ring. When a halogen atom it is attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring, then such compounds are called haloarenes, or they are also called aryl halides. Okay, aryl is the group. This is aryl. Suppose to that aryl hydrogen was attached there, and hydrogen was replaced by a halogen atom. Then we will get haloarenes or aryl halides. Like chlorobenzene, chloro is directly attached. See, it is directly attached to it. Yes, bromo also directly attached to it. If we'll talk about this compound, this is benzene ring, and here to this benzene ring one methyl group is attached. When my one methyl group is attached to it, that is called toluene. And see, here to the next position one chloro group is attached. This will get the preference 1 2 means 2 chlorotoluene. 2 chlorotoluene. Okay, here see substitution of hydrogen or the halogen, they have taken place directly to the ring, to the carbon which is directly attached to the ring. Here see what is happening. Aryl alkyl halides, actually these are the alkyl halides where substitution is not directly done with the hydrogen which is attached to the carbon directly to the ring, but it is done with the side chain halogenation. It is done here to the side chain. Okay, like suppose we are having this toluene, and in place of one carbon, if one chlorine is taking its place, then it will become this chloro phenyl group. Like suppose methane is there, okay, and if one hydrogen is removed from it, we write it as methyl group. In the same way, if benzene is there and one hydrogen is removed from it, then it is called a phenyl group. So this group is attached to this carbon here, and to this carbon only chlorine is also attached, chloro group is also attached. Chloro phenyl methane, one carbon methane is there, and to this carbon chloro group is also attached and phenyl is also attached. So C will get the preference, C chloro phenyl methane. And when the substitution has taken place here, only one hydrogen is removed and its place is taken by one halogen only, then it is commonly called benzyl chloride. See here, one more hydrogen has been removed, Cl2. It is dichlorophenyl methane. This is chlorophenyl methane, dichlorophenyl methane. This is benzyl chloride. And here all the three hydrogens have been substituted by three chlorine atoms. This is trichlorophenyl methane or benzo trichloride. Okay, now if we talk about IUPAC names, see this is I'm telling you from here only, like this is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. If to these two positions substitution has taken place, this will be called 1 2 dichlorobenzene, or the 1 and 2 position. See, if 1 and 2 position is there, it is called ortho. If 1 and 3 position is there, to this if we'll talk about these two positions means we are talking about meta positions, and these two position first and fourth, these are called para positions. Okay, so 1 2 dichlorobenzene, it is orthodichlorobenzene also. 1 3 dichlorobenzene, metadichlorobenzene. Here if we'll see, this is 1 4 dichlorobenzene. See, 1 4 or paradichlorobenzene. Here see 1 2 3 tribromobenzene, 1 2 4 tribromobenzene. So like it is like that, 1 3 5 tribromobenzene. Okay, if we'll talk about this, see, toluene is there, CH3, and to the second position bromo group is attached. So it is 2-bromo-toluene or orthobromotoluene. Orthobromotoluene means it is a toluene, the structure is of toluene, and to the ortho position means 1 2 position, second position bromo group is attached. Okay, so it is like that. See here, this chloro group will get the preference, so at the second position nitro group is attached. So 2 nitrochlorobenzene or orthonitro, these two positions are first and second, orthonitrochlorobenzene. Okay, so the IUPAC naming will be like that. Now we will study the general methods of preparation of haloarenes. See, the first one which we will study today, it is the direct halogenation of aromatic hydrocarbons. So first we will study here preparation of aryl halides, where nuclear substitution will take place. Nuclear means directly to the ring halogen will be attached. Aryl halides will be formed, not aryl halides. So here, see, benzene is there, chlorination is taking place. In presence of iron or FeCl3, the chlorination reaction will take place. Here, the no sunlight should be there, dark, and in the room temperature only this reaction will take place. We will directly get chlorobenzene along with the formation of HCl, because hydrogen will be removed from here, because chlorine is taking place here. So one hydrogen will be removed from here, that hydrogen will combine with the chlorine to form HCl. Similar reaction will take place here also with if we are doing bromination. Bromination we are doing, benzene is here. This bromine will attach itself to this carbon, and H and Br will combine to form HBr. Here we will get bromobenzene, here we will get chlorobenzene. If suppose we are using excess of halogen, see, one more thing is there. Suppose any other group is already attached here, then it depends on this group whether the incoming group will attach to which position. It depends on this group, means this will act as a principle here. I will decide where the incoming group will be going, or it will attach to which site. This is called directive influence of groups. Directive, it will direct the incoming group to take up the position. Okay, so here see, if excess of halogen we are adding is used, further substitution takes place at ortho and para position, because the chloro group which is attached here, it is ortho para directing group. Since it is ortho para directing group, so the incoming chlorine atom which is coming, because it is in excess, so more than one chlorine will be attached to other sites also in presence of iron or FeCl3. So because this chloro group, it is orthopara directing group, it means this chlorine will take its position here and here. This is the ortho position 1 2, and this is the para to it 1 4. So see, one will be formed like this. It is orthodichlorobenzene or 1 2 dichlorobenzene, and it is paradichlorobenzene or 1 4 dichlorobenzene, and this will be the major product. This we were talking about chlorination and bromination. If you are talking about iodination, then iodoarenes cannot be prepared by direct iodination. By this process we cannot prepare iodoarenes, because like here HCl is formed, HBr is formed, in the same way HI will be formed there, and HI which is formed in the reaction, it is a reducing agent. it is a reducing agent. It will reduce this iodobenzene, and this benzene and iodine will be formed again, means the reaction is reversible. So if we want to shift the equilibrium towards right hand side, so for that we will use iodic acid or nitric acid, because these are the good oxidizing agents, and this will oxidize this Hi into iodine. Okay, see, the reaction is written here also. This Hi in presence of HiO3 will be converted to iodine. It will be reduced to oxidized to iodine, and it will be removed from here, so iodobenzene will remain there only. Otherwise, this will again combine with the iodobenzene to form these two reactants. Okay, that's why with Fe and FeCl3 only we cannot prepare this. For this we have to use some good oxidizing agent. Now fluoroarenes, they cannot be prepared. Fluorination of arenes cannot be done, because the reaction, it is very violent and it is very difficult to control. That's why fluoroarenes cannot be prepared by this reaction. See, if we talk about mechanism, the nuclear halogenation means directly to the ring halogen is being attached. That is called nuclear halogenation. The nuclear halogenation of arenes is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Like in haloalkenes, we studied about nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic means an electrophile will attach itself to some electron sufficient sites. Okay, electrophile means which is electron deficient, which is having a positive charge, that will be attached to some site. So here see what happens actually. Fe, it combines with Cl2 to form FeCl3. When this FeCl3 will combine with chlorine, a molecule is there, one chlorine will get attached to this FeCl3, a bond is formed, and we will get FeCl4 minus. If FeCl4 minus is being formed here, it means it is taking both the electrons with it, and this chlorine will become electron deficient chloronium ion, which is an electrophile. Now the electrophile which is formed here, this electrophile will attack the benzene. See, this one, first one is the slow step. This electrophile, it will attack the benzene ring. See, if it will attach itself here, means H is already here, Cl will also be attached here. It means since it is electron deficient, means deficiency of electron will take place here. Okay, to compensate that deficiency, these pi electrons will move towards here and create a positive charge here. See, a positive charge here will be created, then only this bond can be formed, because it is electron deficient, and if it is attaching itself to this carbon, it will be needing electron, and this electron will be provided from this pi bond. Okay, so it will attach itself to this site. Now this will become electron deficient. To compensate that, this will move here, a bond will be formed here, and this site will become positive. To compensate that, this will move here, so a resonating structures will be formed here like this. It means 1, 2 and these three sites are having positive charge here. It means we'll study it later on. See, positive charge will be created here, means this is the resonance stabilized carbocation having H here and Cl here. Now carbocation has been formed. This is the slow step. Now we have to prepare chlorobenzene. Now see what will happen. This hydrogen from here, it will attack this FeCl4 minus ion. This ion will be attacked by this H and Cl from here will form HCl, and FeCl3 will be formed along with the formation of chlorobenzene. So this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. When nuclear substitution or nuclear halogenation is taking place, it takes place by electrophilic substitution reaction. Now preparation of aryl alkyl halides means those alkyl halides in which halogen is not directly attached to the ring, but it is attached to some carbon which is attached to that ring directly. Okay, like suppose toluene is there. Toluene, when chlorination of this toluene will take place, The temperature is 383 Kelvin, and in presence of sunlight this reaction will take place. So instead of here, the halogenation will take place here to this carbon. Okay, one hydrogen will be removed and one chlorine will be attached here. Means we will get CH2Cl2, benzyl chloride we will get, plus HCl. Again, if the same reaction will take place, chlorination 383 kelvins in presence of sunlight, we will get this CH. One more hydrogen will be removed or substituted by a chlorine atom, and we will get benzyl chloride. Again, lastly we will get benzo chloride. Okay, and what we have to note here, see this one, nuclear halogenation was the electrophilic substitution reaction, and this is the free radical mechanism. And see, if more than one carbon or a long chain is present over here, see here it is one carbon only, like CH3 is attached. Suppose in place of CH3, if it would be CH2CH3, then chlorination will take place. See what is written here. The side chain halogenation is a free radical mechanism. If the side chain attached to benzene ring is larger, if more than one carbon it is attached there or it is present over there, then substitution occurs preferentially at the carbon directly attached to the ring. See, two carbons are present over here, and if chlorination is occurring in presence of sunlight, then halogenation will take place to this carbon which is directly attached to the ring. Here the halogenation will take place. This is ethyl benzene, and here we will get, see, two carbons are there, means ethane is there. To first carbon chloro is also attached, and to this first carbon only phenyl group is also attached. It means one chloro, suppose it is one first carbon, this is second carbon, one chloro, one phenyl ethane. So one chloro, one phenyl ethane will be formed. If one more product will be formed, then this hydrogen is also removed from here. We will get two chlorine here. So like this, this is the substitution, the side chain substitution reaction, where one more carbon is attached to the benzene, directly to the benzene ring, and in that carbon substitution is taking place. And if substitution is taking place directly to the ring, that is called nuclear halogenation. Thank you.